One thing I make sure to do every time before I ride is check the air pressure in my Michelin Starcross 6 tires. And no better way to do it than with these Motion Pro tire gauges. It's kind of crazy how much the outside conditions will affect the air pressure in your tires. And it's also crazy how little it takes to be able to feel it. Thanks to these Motion Pro tire gauges, I don't even got to worry about that anymore. It's very important to have a gauge where you can trust the accuracy, and Motion Pro is definitely a top quality product. These gauges are available in both digital and analog. Along with that, we also have these magnetic Motion Pro tire gauge holders, which makes it easy to stick on the side of your toolbox or anywhere else you want to keep your tire gauge. Head over to MotoSport.com and grab a high quality air gauge for your ride. See you next time.